The second controller option is the MHUB 411, also called the MHUB Mini. This can switch up to 4 source devices to up to 2 display devices and has 4 device IR ports for sources, 2 display IR ports and 2 additional IR ports, bringing the total IR device control count to 8. It too can also control a range of IP devices and smart lighting and window treatment systems. The MHUB 411 is best suited to installations that use a projector and/or where the AV equipment is located away from the TV and/or projector, where you have no more than 4 source devices, or where you might not be using an AV receiver at all. So why is this? The MHUB 411 has inputs for up to 4 18 gig 4K source devices. So even if you're using an AVR, the source switching experience is usually way better here than what's built into the AVR. And if you're not using an AVR, it might be the only worthwhile source switching experience. The MHUB has 2 individual display outputs. One is HDMI and the other is a 40-meter HDBaseT output with an HDMI mirror. The HDBaseT output means that you can locate the AV equipment further away from the TV or projector, because the IR control and HDMI feed to that TV or projector will run over up to 40 meters of Cat6 cable from the MHUB to its display receiver. If you're using only a projector, you have a single Cat6 cable delivering IR control and the HDMI signal from the system, without having to add an HDMI extender or pull a long expensive HDMI cable and still somehow hack an IR extension for your control. If you're using both a TV and a projector in that one room, the dual discrete outputs of the MHUB and built-in uControl make it so much easier to switch between the two.